Our 1968 Mustang's turn signals were not working, as well as one of the brake lights. We bought a Scotch-Rite kit. It's a turn signal switch wiring harness for a fixed column. It was very easy to install. Placing the wires back into the original housing was a bit tricky, but with a dental tool or a tiny screwdriver to push the butterfly ends down, that released the old wires from the harness, and the new ones pushed right in very easily. Now our brake lights work perfectly. Our emergency flashers work with no hesitation, and both our right and left turn signals work like a dream, as well as the main lights. We also replaced our brake light switch, which is at the back of the foot brake assembly. It's very hard to reach. I used a flathead screwdriver to pry it away and then rotated it as I removed it from the rod. The brake light switch was very easy to reinstall. I screwed down the turn signal switch harness on the column and placed the wires inside the column wiring cover and then tucked the wires up underneath the dash. I also installed a new OEM stereo dash bezel to clean things up a little bit.